So, not only do I suffer from a mental illness, keloids, and acne, but there's also one more thing I suffer from, and that is a lazy eye. And that lazy eye happens to be located on the left side of my face, which is right there. Now, if you guys don't know what lazy eye is, here's a quick definition to catch you guys up on what it is. So what is lazy eye? Lazy eye refers to the drifting or misalignment of an eye. This is usually the manifestation of amblyopia, where one eye is experiencing significant vision loss and sometimes also called strabismus or cross-eyed, a general misalignment problem. So basically, amblyopia, which is a lazy eye, is a developmental problem with the eye-brain connection. The brain has basically learned to ignore information from one eye. Amblyopia is not a problem with the eye itself, though it can both cause and be caused by such problems. Strabismus or cross-eyed is a misalignment of the eyes in which six muscles that surround and help the eyes focus are not working together properly. This can cause both, and this can be a cause and an effect of amblyopia. So to give you guys a little bit of backstory on myself, I've had lazy eye since I could remember, since I was a kid. A lot of times people would look at my face, and if I was talking straight to them, sometimes they would notice that my left eye would drift outward, and I personally wouldn't even know until they told me. And then I started realizing that it would happen when I was watching TV, when I was just honestly doing anything. Sometimes it wouldn't be hard to notice, other times you wouldn't notice it at all, but there are some times myself where I don't even know if it's happening. Someone really has to kind of just let me know, hey, your eye's looking the other way, but most of the times it doesn't really happen. But hopefully today I want to give you guys some tips and tricks to help your lazy eye get a little bit better so it doesn't look as obvious, and you can help your vision get better as well. So one of the ways that I'm currently trying to fix my lazy eye and trying to strengthen the vision is basically by wearing an eye patch. Basically, I bought this eye patch from Amazon for about like $5, and basically what I do is that I put it on for about 2 hours every day, and I try to do some like eye exercises with the eye patch. So it's not just about wearing the eye patch, you really want to do stuff with your eye that really kind of makes it exercise. So what I do is that I put on my patch, I usually read with my left eye, I'll go on my phone with my left eye, I'll try to drive with my left eye, I'll try to do a lot of things with my left eye, like look upward, look sideways, look this way, look downward, and then just try doing it back and forth, and really just kind of, for those 2 hours, really putting in a good workout for my eye, just so I know that I'm really using it to its max potential. And some of the things that I've seen online is that usually when you do this for around 2 to 3 hours, I usually do it for 2, is that you kind of tend to see results in the coming weeks or months following this. So if you guys want to see results, it's better to start early when you're a kid. If you're an adult, I still think there's possibility for that. It's really all about training your eye and, making it work, and treating it like a muscle. You just gotta keep exercising it until it gets better. Another way that I found online that you guys could actually work out your eye is basically by doing pencil push-ups. Now, pencil push-ups is basically when you get a pencil, you put it right in front of you, and then you look at with both eyes, and then you kind of bring it towards it, so both your eyes can kind of look at the pencil, and then you kind of go back out. But I don't really use a pencil, I just use my finger, because that's really all you need. You don't need to get a pencil. Just get like your own finger, then just keep doing this. And I read it for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can just do that. And it's a really good exercise for your eyes to align and kind of just strengthen the muscles in your eye. Now, for those of you who think that the eye patch won't work, or maybe the pencil push-ups aren't really your thing, or you want to go to a more extreme route, there is eye muscle surgery that you can do. And basically what they do is that a surgeon will either resect or shorten a muscle to strengthen it, or recess a muscle, attaching it to a farther location to weaken it. Now personally, I have thought about getting this eye muscle surgery myself. I just haven't found a right eye surgeon to do this with, or if even my insurance covers it, so I'm not even sure if I could afford it. I might, but who knows, I haven't really looked into it myself. But if you guys want to go that route, you're more than welcome to do it. And if you guys find any success with it, just leave a comment down below and let me know as well, so I can maybe think about doing it as well. I hope you guys found this video very useful. If you guys have any other tips or suggestions, don't be afraid to leave them in the comments down below. Don't be afraid to like the video, and don't be afraid to subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys. I will see you again later.